Welcome to Artificial Professor. In this video, I'll explain how to send location on WhatsApp. For this, you need to follow a few steps. The first one is open your mobile phone settings. Now scroll it down, and here is the option. Apps, tap on this one. Now tap on the second option, Manage Apps. Now search here for WhatsApp. Here is the WhatsApp. Now tap on the option Apps Permission. Now these are the permission which are allowed for WhatsApp. But as you see, the location permission is not allowed. Oh, here is the location permission. Simply allow this one and tap on the first option. Allow only while using the app. Now the location feature is allowed on WhatsApp. Now close this one. In your mobile, turn on location. But as you see, the location feature is already on. Now open your WhatsApp. I will send my location to this friend. Now tap on this pin icon and tap on the option location. Simply tap this option. Send your current location. So as you see now, my location has been sent to my friend, and when he will tap on this one, my current location will be shown in his mobile phone. So with this, you can share your location to WhatsApp. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and see you in the next video of Artificial Professor.